Welcome back. We're back at the range today, and I bought this Hawken that I mounted this Williams peep sight on, and we're going to get an initial 0. Into the sight picture here. The owner wants the impact behind that bead, so we're going to go. The bead fits inside of that center ring with a ring of light around it. This will be round 1. We're loading from the flask today. Use a 444 mounting case. Take 70 grains of Pyredex out. You get a full, tap the side once. Down the barrel. Settle the powder. It's about a 3/16 cardboard wad. They won't tip going down the barrel. Touch it. So Swage Hornady 490 round ball with I think a 20 thou patch. 15 or 20. Just touch it. Full cock cap. So we took an initial shot, actually 2, and now we got to adjust this sight. I moved once to verify the increment. This sight appears to be on this rifle 17 thou per inch at 50 yards. So I have calipers. Different ways that we can do this. We can go by the number of clicks, or we can go with calipers. And I have a screwdriver for the set screw here on the right. That locks the adjustment screw. I'm going to break that loose. I can turn this adjustment screw. I start with the measurement from the side of the sight to the aperture. And I get a measurement. I make my adjustment with this screw on the side. And then I lock the set screw down. And take a shot. Still don't have good light on the target yet. It's early yet today, so hopefully we can see it pretty good. center. We should get a little better light as the day goes by. But I'm gonna reload and see if I can do that again. I'll go one more, and if this one groups with the other, then I'm going to call the initial 0 good, and then the owner can decide what he wants to do as far as hunting loads and whatnot. So, here we go. Might need a bit of slow development for that, but I believe he's going to want to shoot to hunt with. Alright, that's the first gun we had out here today. I just wanted to get a rough 0 for Bill. Go over quick what happened here. It was the first round, and kind of had a brain fart, and I was thinking 7 inches, but 7 inches was based on this radius. Moved the sight too far, and I brought it back. So it's 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, because
I think he's going to hunt with
and no
copper or at least conicals.
didn't appear. Yeah, but it looks like